Okay. I just did my skincare, and this is my second time filming this video because the first one, the quality was crap because I was in my bathroom. So I already did this side. So I'm gonna do this side. If you can't tell, my hair is a little bit brighter. In the front, it's like a 27. In the back, it's like a 30. The tips are kind of bright. So yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all what I do every night. So you'll need this Boho comb. You'll need this oil, a lightweight oil mist, because I don't know why people be saying to use water and conditioner. Your hair sheds so much more when you use that stuff. And let me empty out my comb. I'm about to show y'all right now how much shedding I get. So we're gonna start at the bottom. Use a little bit of this oil. I need to go get some more. But start at the bottom. Work our way up. All right. And we're good. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna do this top part and then I'm gonna come back. But I'm really just about to braid it, so it's not need for me to come back, but I'm gonna come back. Okay. So you can see, we can run our fingers through this. Okay. And then I'm just gonna section it in 3 and just braid it up. So I braid my hair up and I put my bonnet on. My hair in the back always gets really dry, so I put some grease back there. You know, I put some oil and stuff on my edges. I haven't done that yet, but that's what I do. I don't know why, but it looks like I braid really weird when I'm watching myself braid. Maybe I do. I usually use a different ponytail holder, like a small elastic, but I don't have one in this room. This is my office. But yeah. We just put our bonnet on and we go to sleep. Just like that. Oh yeah. And this is what the comb look like. So it's about like, if y'all can see. Okay. Okay, yeah. Because it's blind, you're not gonna see it. But it's like 3 pieces of hair. Like, that's nothing.